Assembling a KD frame is a simple 6-step process. Follow all the steps in order. If you are unsure, stop and review before continuing. Step 1. Identify frame parts. Identify the parts you will need: head, 2 jambs, and a sill. The sill has weep holes. Got them? Now make sure you have all the other necessary components. Frame gaskets, pre-applied to jambs. Seal tape. 1 package of screws. Sealant, seam sealer. KD nail fin corner, and alcohol wipes. If you are missing any components, stop and make sure you have them all before continuing. The process cannot be adequately completed without all proper parts and components. You'll need to join the jamb to the sill and then the head to the jamb. First, using the alcohol wipes, clean the area where the jamb gasket will be adhering to on both the head and the sill. After they are clean, remove tape line from the jamb gasket and fasten together. To fasten frame together, use 8 by 2.5 packaged screws to insert into the pre-drilled holes in the jambs. Tighten them sequentially and make sure not to over-torque the screws. Repeat steps on the remaining joints. Then, apply provided frame sealant around the joint. Be careful and make a nice uniform bead. Next, apply seal tape to jamb and sill on both sides. Make sure to peel off the outer mylar backing. Lastly, apply KD nail fin corners using the seam sealer to the head and jamb corner joint. This will seal the joint and cover the gap between the nail fin of the head and jamb. That's it. Now you know how to properly assemble a KD frame. If not, watch again. It's only 2 minutes.